What's up guys, B-Dub coming at you with another video, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so by clicking on that link in the right hand corner of your screen right down over here. So today I'm going to be talking about a new product that I bought off Amazon. I'm going to be showing you guys how it works and everything once I get it set up, but I'm extremely excited because now I'm able to make a lot more content for you guys with point of view driving videos and everything like that. With the cell phone, it's just definitely hard to keep it mounted. So I thought, what better way to do this for you guys than get myself a dash cam. So without further ado, excuse the bananas and stuff sitting here, I have purchased an 8-man, it's the C420 dash cam off Amazon. This thing records in 1080p and it cost me like $40. So I'm really curious to see how this thing does. I'm able to record night mode, daytime mode, everything. So I figured, what better way to do an awesome video for you guys showing what it is like to drive with your whole entire windshield tinted than use my dash cam. So first I'm going to talk about the dash cam here real quickly, and then I'll show you guys my Nissan 370Z with window tint, what that looks like, and then I'm going to kind of explain step by step with what I'm doing here with this video. So here's your dash cam. This thing does not have an SD card that is included with it. So what you're going to need is you're going to need one of these. This is the Insignia. It's a USB. It also houses the SD card. I have an SD card here by SanDisk, I believe. This is who that's by, 62 gigabyte SD card. And that's basically what's holding on to all your memory for your recordings and stuff like that. So you're going to want to put your SD card in this camera here. And then when you're done recording, you're going to want to pop it in one of these type of USBs that are able to house the SD cards right here, the micro SD. And then from there, you just plug it in your computer with this little, let's see if I can do it with one hand. There's a USB port that comes out of here. This is just protecting it so it doesn't get ruined or anything. But yeah, that's how that works. So you're going to want to buy yourself that. And then we're ready to roll. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and see how this thing works. We're going to be going on this country loop where there's no street lights out there in this area. So that's what I'm going to do for you guys. We're going to drive it during the day, and then I'm going to drive it at nighttime to show you exactly what it's like driving with window tint in the daytime and at nighttime. But first off, guys, I'm going to show you guys my 370Z with what the tint looks like just sitting still. So here we go. This is excellent, just excellent. I absolutely love it. It's funny because the guy that I bought this from, him and his wife, little old couple, they like babied this thing and kept it garaged and covered and everything. And he had a really nice Corvette, which he had like 584 horsepower because he said he modded it out and whatnot. Really nice Corvette, super, super, super sweet. I was like, dang, that thing is sweet. But I asked him, I was like, what tint percentage is this, you know? And he said it's 65%. And I was thinking, no, sir, that would virtually be nothing on the car. So this is far from 65% tint. Let me know what you guys think here. You're going to get a little bit better depiction of it once we're driving and stuff. So like I said, I'm going to be going on a country road where we're going to see a little bit of road lights just for a slight amount of time. And then we're going to be on these back roads where there is no lighting at all. So you're really going to be able to tell how it is during the daytime and how it is at nighttime. So without further ado, guys, let's go cruising. Alright guys, so there's a little bit of a depiction of what it looks like during the daytime with window tint. And as you can see, I have now switched over to night mode. Got that snapback, got my coat on, I'm ready to roll out, and I'm ready to show you guys exactly what it looks like to have window tint around your whole entire vehicle, including your windshield at night. What it is like driving at night with windshield tint. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and roll out, guys, shall we? Here we go. so there you have it. That is the windshield tint during daytime versus nighttime. And I hope that this video was able to give you guys an accurate depiction of what the windshield tint is like if you're looking to get windshield tint, maybe debating on getting it or not. I hope that this video was helpful to allow you guys to figure out if it's the route that you want to go or not. I personally absolutely love the windshield tint, especially at nighttime with the oncoming headlights from cars. Really cuts down on the glare. It's also nice for privacy, for people not being able to really see inside your car or to be able to identify the driver. So that's the other perk with that, guys. So until next time, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit me up with any suggestions that you might have there in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, guys, and until my next video. Bye!